Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And I just want to show a quick demo on PartyRock. If you don't know what PartyRock is, it's a way of generating or creating applications with AI. And as you can see on this interface, it just says get more done with generative AI. So you can build applications that make use of generative AI. So right now, just create an account here, continue with Google. And PartyRock is actually based on AWS. It was created by AWS. To generate app. So right now I have a prompt and I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. So build me an interactive career guide to become an AWS solutions architect, and it should include these. So I'm just going to number them. 4, 5, 7. We can still modify it. So generate. Okay. So right now we have Cloud Career Navigator as the heading, AWS Solutions Architect Career Guide. And it says, welcome to your interactive guide to becoming an AWS Solutions Architect. This tool will help you create a personalized learning path, prepare for certifications, and develop the skills needed for a successful cloud career. Start by entering your current experience level below. It actually has a lot. It's a lot. So right now, let me say, okay, currently a certified solutions architect associates. I've worked on a number of projects and started YouTube channel. Yeah. Post my projects. Okay, let me just leave it at that. I want to get a role as a solutions architect. Okay, so I have just these two basic ones, and just click play. Okay, so it says here is a tailored learning path tailored to your current position. Okay, intermediate phase, since you already have the SA certification and project experience. Advanced phase, practical projects. Wow, so this is a lot. Core AWS services, yeah, this was part of what we listed as part of the app. So we said we need key AWS services every solutions architect should master. I think that's what it listed here. So right now you can just look at them and see which one you have, which one you need more mastery of. So right now at the study hours segment, you can just input, okay, how many hours per week can you dedicate to AWS study? So let's say, okay, if I can say 7 study hours. When do you aim to be job ready? In 3 months? 3 months. And I just say, okay, play. And I'll generate, here's a 12. So if you can follow this schedule, That's also a good one. And to actually give you the structure, so within in 7 days, 5 weekdays, so 2 to 3 hours per day, and 2 weekend days, 3 to 4 hours per day. So it gives you the whole structure breakdown, even what you would learn from that weekend and everything. Then it has some tips here, some resources to use. So this schedule is flexible and can be adjusted based on your progress and specific areas where you need more focus. So lastly, we have the learning resources. So these are documentations, the well-architected framework, and you can open this uh, architecture center and the solutions library. So white papers, best practices, blogs, hands-on practice, professional certification preparation. So all of these links are here. And of course, if you open them, you can actually see, or they have the well-architected framework there, the architecture center, the solutions library. So this is a lot of functionalities, and just from a simple app or a simple prompt, you can generate any app like this. So let me see, share, make it public, make it public. So right now I have this Cloud Career Navigator app public, and if I should share it, anybody can actually open the app and see what is there and actually make use of it. So right now I can edit it, make some changes and do all of that. But I'm just going to leave it like this. And we still have other functionalities that I haven't really touched, like the resume optimizer. So you can have a sample project entry. Remember to, so it just does some of this. You can see your project blueprint. So if you type in a project interest, it can give you like a blueprint that you can work with. So for instance, a project that would, thinking of an idea here, that would store user inputs in a DynamoDB database could be a tool store application. So let me play this one. I'm going to create a blueprint for you. So right now I have your users, they go through API gateway, Lambda functions, and then DynamoDB. So Cognito would guard the API gateway, and the Lambda functions with IAM rules will be able to store your data on DynamoDB. So it has given you the AWS services you use, the database design. So it may give you the name of the table, primary key, attributes, and everything. The front end setup, so you can create an S3 bucket, authentication setup, API layer. And honestly, I don't think you would need 2 to 3 days, 1 2 days, or a whole day. If you focus on this, you should be able to get it done. Not taking a whole day or 2 days for the front end. Okay, so I have the database set up, and I think these are actually like CLI commands to actually do all of these things. Lambda functions, so you create separate functions to create tool, get tool, update tool, delete tool, list tool, create order, get order, and all of that. So it actually even gave us the lambda function. Wow. So it gave us the lambda function that we would use. So you have, yes, so your, of course, your butto 3, your item, then table dot put item, yes. So all this lambda function needs is access to the, or yeah, access to the, so that's permissions to actually put item into your DynamoDB table. So testing and deployment, and actually even listed potential challenges to watch out for. Wow. So this is way more than this is way more than I thought it would be. And then so you have your different segments, your project designer or companion, where you just type in your project interest and you get all of that. You have core AWS services you can actually look at to make sure that you are on track. You have your personalized learning paths once you've given your current experience and your career goals. And so that's actually a lot. That's a lot. There's a lot of things you can do. Study plan generator, learning resources, and learning resources. So yeah, I would attach the link to this so you can test it out yourself and also generate applications on your own. So thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one.